so well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world, it's just that our sort's best. So you should consider yourself lucky we're even engaging in conversation with riffraff like yourself. Loba, you see, so named for an obvious deficiency in the leg department, Loba is most peculiar about whom she chooses to speak to.
I might tell you that Queenie